do this instead of visualizing your desire and manifest what you want. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary, and if you're new here and you like the content, make sure to subscribe and tap that bell icon for upcoming videos. Also, share this video and give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. So visualization, a super helpful tool for manifesting what you want on purpose. Okay, because we're always manifesting, right? Everything is a manifestation. Every moment is a manifestation. But what we're teaching is manifesting on purpose, creating your life as you want it on purpose. And visualization is a really powerful tool to do that. But for a lot of people, when they try to visualize what they want specifically, they get stuck in the feeling of the lack of it, or they just really struggle to see it clearly in their mind and know what that feels like or know what that looks like. And then all these doubts and limiting, beliefs and negative emotions start coming up. So sometimes it can be a little bit of a struggle. Now, there is another way that you can go about visualizing, which is a little bit different, but will also give you the results that you're looking for on your specific goal. Now, maybe you've already tried something like this, but if you haven't, or if you have, try it again, okay? So what this is instead of visualizing your specific goal, you take, maybe it's, one sitting of like 15 to 20 minutes, or maybe you take just a couple of minutes or a few minutes throughout your day. Multiple times throughout your day when you can, you take a quick break, couple of minutes, right? You wake up in the morning, couple of minutes. Throughout your day, a couple of minutes. At night before bed, a few minutes, right, of doing this process. And what you're doing is you are visualizing, okay? You are using your imagination. You are imagining things in your mind, closing your eyes, or you can just daydream with your eyes open, depending on where you are. But what you're doing is you're imagining, you're visualizing something that makes you feel really good. Now, for your specific goal to manifest, you need to be on the frequency of it, which means you need to match the emotions of it. So you ask yourself, okay, well, how would that end result make me feel? You write down those emotions. Let's just go with gratitude, all right? Gratitude and joy and excitement. Now, you know how you want to feel. When you feel those emotions more of the time, they're more dominant within you, within your energy, you will manifest things that match that, including your specific desires that you've been asking for, even without focusing on them. So you need to be feeling those emotions. So this is an exercise that helps you to feel those emotions. Now, you take, even if you have to set a reminder, which is something that I suggest often, to just remind yourself to do things like this, or to do processes. But you take a couple of minutes here and there throughout your day, maybe 4 or 5 times, whenever you can, just a minute, 2 minutes. And if you can, you close your eyes. And maybe even beforehand, you've chosen what you're going to focus on, but you just find the best feeling thought or the best feeling imagery or scenario that you can come up with, whether it's a desire that you want that feels good for you to think about, like really good. Whether it's a memory, like maybe it's a holiday, or maybe it's, a really good feeling thought about you and your partner, or something really exciting that happened to you. Maybe it's your favorite holiday destination and you just love to think about it. Maybe it's something that you're passionate about. Maybe it's something that, something like, being on the beach, or being out in nature and how that makes you feel. Maybe it's even thinking about your pet, right, and cuddling up to them. Anything that is going to help you to conjure up those really positive, good feeling emotions. And you do that for a couple of minutes. It doesn't matter what subject it is, just make sure that you're focused on creating those strong emotions that match your desire. So the gratitude and the joy and the excitement, and you feel that. And the first manifestation is emotion. It's the way that you feel. So you know that you're headed in the right direction when you feel those really good feeling elevated emotions and feel them getting stronger and stronger. Manifestation is underway. Be consistent with this. Do it every day. If you need to listen to music while you do it, you do that. It doesn't matter what you're focused on. your main thing is just, anything that you like, anything that makes you feel happy or feel excited or makes you feel good, makes you smile. You're using that time to give attention to whatever those things are, or even a scenario that you just create in your mind just for fun. Just for fun. Something you just make up just for fun, not because you're trying to manifest something. You're not trying to manifest anything in this time. All you're doing is you're trying to feel as good as you can feel. You're having fun. And while you're doing that, you're not even realizing that you're raising your vibration up here to the receiving frequency where everything that you want can flow in. That flow state, guys. It's so simple. Be consistent with this and do it every day whenever you can. And you're training yourself into consistent, dominant alignment. You're raising your vibration more consistently. It's going to be easier for you to feel good, and more of the things that you want are going to start to flow into your life really quickly. And so you can focus on your specific desire if it feels really, really good. But it doesn't matter what you give attention to. Anything, guys. Anything. It really is magical how things can come when you're not even focused on them. It's just super important that you feel good and that you're getting happy. All right, so give this a try. Let me know how you go in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And for one-on-one coaching or for my online programs, the information is in the description box below. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, be consistent with this. Put your number one goal as being happy, and everything you want is inevitable. But most importantly, have fun. All right, and I'll see you on the next video.